My name is Simon Ola and I'm a pipeline developer at Rise. We started using Houdini in 2012 for effects, and we're really impressed with the new possibilities of working node-based and procedurally. So in 2014, we then also moved our scene assembly and lighting to Houdini. And that worked very well for many years, but at some point projects got increasingly complex and we were looking for more scalable solutions. Luckily at the time, SideFX announced that they were working on a new product and that it was based on USD. So we dedicated 1.5 years building that new pipeline. We then transitioned to our new fully USD-based pipeline with Solaris at its core.
I'm Andreas Giesen and I'm working as a VFX supervisor at Rise. Fallout is a TV series based on a game, so it takes place in a retro-futuristic world with a lot of monsters, creatures and awesome locations. Some of the shots we worked on included this big LA nuke sequence in the beginning with large-scale effect simulations, and also the vertibird, which was this flying vehicle. And towards the ending of the series, we created the whole final battle sequence, which was very challenging.
So with Fallout, we faced quite a few challenges. We had to build these extremely large environments and make sure we can render them efficiently. Instead of just one explosion, we had these multiple shots of multiple nukes being launched over LA, and we had to match and extend some very, very detailed props that were used on the set.
Houdini helped us a lot to deal with these challenges, especially for the effects simulation, because we created like one big cache in the beginning, and using USD and in Solaris, we could easily offset the cache right for every shot to make it work, and also to add shot-specific changes was really easy to do using our multi-shot workflow.
I'm Jonas I'm the head of FX at Rise. Red One is a comedy Christmas movie about rescuing Santa and saving Christmas. The sequences included lots of environments like the Krampus Castle or the Krampus Slate, and a lot of FX like portal effects, Santa effects, fire effects, or vehicle effects like transformations. One of the biggest focus area of that show was character FX. We created 3 digi-doubles, 2 trolls, 1 hellhound, and 1 chicken.
The challenges we faced on Red One were to animate and render several different creatures, including a chicken, for which we were finally able to test out the new feather tools.
With Houdini's new feather toolset, based on tessellation shaders, we were able to preview the feathers in a high amount of detail in the viewport while art directing them for the incoming animation from USD.
So there are so many benefits to USD. First, there's scalability. Geometry instancing is at the heart of USD. So we can now build these extremely large and complex environments more easily. Then there's variance. With USD, it's very easy to set up different variations of the exact same asset. And then there's the whole layer system that lets us non-destructively add layers of one department to the content that was built by previous departments. So with the switch to USD, we've basically future-proofed our pipeline foundation. By now, USD has been adopted by so many companies, and it's likely going to be the dominant 3D format for the years to come. But for us, it's not just USD, it's very much also Solaris. Solaris acts as a node-based API, so instead of writing tons of code, we really build a lot of HDAs and build template scenes that can then be chained together and automatically processed.
And I can say that without all those tools in the Solaris USD pipeline at Rise, we couldn't have done it in this amount of time and achieving this level of quality.
And having Solaris as the backbone of everything, we're quite confident that we'll be able to come up with a solution for any requirement a future project might have.